Tube Nation, what's going on? Back in the Q50. Look what we got in. Super bright LEDs. Not my first time using this company. Oh, let me pause the video. Alright, Tube Nation, so I thought I had all my footage from when I installed my LED upgrade, but I didn't. So let me lay it on you real quick. These right here, to pull them out, I'll put this in too much. Actually, hold on. So we might be able to work this out. Hold on 1 second. So yeah, I had to do it like this because I had the footage. At least I thought I had the footage, but turns out I probably just took pictures because I had pictures of this stuff, and I posted pictures. I'm trying to see if I can stick them in right now. Yeah, yeah, that sucked. That sucked. So that's that. Now let's finish the video. Alright guys, real quick side note in this video. This has nothing to do with the LEDs, but these are J hooks by Motium. It's a 2-pack, 17 and 26, so to replace these two. So we're gonna see how these look real quick. I'm just gonna do these in the video just to see, because this was let me think, this was 17 bucks for both. And if these work out, then these are a great deal. So I'm gonna pop them off, and then I'll show you a side-by-side comparison. Alright, so here they are side by side. Now I am a little concerned about how curved this one is. don't know if that's just to keep coverage on the back end. These look like the factory joints, which they got this little flexibility right here on both sides. We're gonna see, man. Hopefully these work well. It's real sunny right now. No cloud cover, but literally just early this week, man. Like for 3-4 days, it was just raining cats and dogs. Comes with protective covering, so we're gonna take this off, install them, check them out. All right, guys. So I have to bring this out real quick. Hold on. Got that mug through. Lift that part up. It has some give to it. Slide it all the way on. Oh, actually take this part out. Okay. Slip that all the way on. Bring it back. Bring it back down to the. Oh, no. It's not what you want. Don't do it just yet. Make sure it stays in there. You push it all the way down, then got that on. Then you can clip this back on to the two tabs. I should say the two stubs that are out. Lock it back down. There we go. And it does flatten out. No problems with the second one. This comes off, no problem. I know I got a magnet. No problems. Push down right here, brings it up, snap that up, squeeze in where the grooves are, lift this up, careful not to lose this top part. I wonder if you can do it without doing that. Let me see. No,